Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and do you want to know the cherries that have now ruined me for all other cherries? They are definitely these Fabbri Amarena Wild Cherries. These cherries are extremely plump, juicy, and oh so delicious. I would definitely not consider them to be your ordinary jarred cherries, and it's safe to say that they completely blew me away. They are not only delightfully sweet, but as soon as I put them in my mouth, I am just immediately struck with that explosive hit of fruity cherry flavor. So the cherries themselves are amazing, but it does not end there. In my opinion, other jarred cherries that I've tried are basically just in sweetened water. But these Fabbri cherries are in this incredible syrup that has that same punchy, slightly tart cherry flavor. I was really excited to add this jar of cherries to my brunch table. Both the cherries and the syrup combined went so well on top of my waffles. Because of these cherries' Italian origin, they also inspired me to use the syrup and the cherries to make a little Italian soda style drink. I have never tasted jarred cherries like these before, and don't make the same mistake I did and only get one little jar because you're going to want more. But that's just my point of view.